All right, folks, Frank Pooley here, Nice Group USA. Sorry about all the wind noise, but still a quick video of my Apollo 4500 swing gate operator. This is a 1 horsepower commercial swing gate operator. This is my personal gate. It's a 17-foot gate. Has that star in the middle of it there. Doesn't catch a lot of wind, but I'm up here on a hill. It's really windy up here. So operator, this is one of the first beta units that we built. It's worked perfectly ever since it was installed. So this is the 1 horsepower unit, articulating arm operator, 17-foot gate. I do have photo eyes on it in the entrapment area here as the gate opens, and a set of photo eyes across the driveway as it closes, safety loops, free exit detector, all the goodies. Anyway, like I say, this is one of the first beta units that we built. This unit's about 7 years old. It's worked flawlessly ever since it was put in. No problems whatsoever. You might see a little extra attachment hardware on my gate. I've got it set up so that I can put another style of linear actuator operator on it as well. That's the reason for the extra gate bracket right there. You see, this is a pad mounted unit. Like I said, this is the 1 horsepower unit. Really good unit, really smooth, really quiet, really strong. And just given great service ever since it was installed. See, about a 17-foot gate. Gate's probably around 550, 600 pounds, I would say. Just a quick look inside. It's got the 1050 control board. It's a little dirty in here. Haven't cleaned it out lately. It's just a little dusty. Got a lot of dust in the area. 1050 control board, 1 horsepower equivalent DC motor, loop detector, exit probe sensor, good stuff like that. One thing on these units that's important to note, let me take this top lid off here. This is where your mechanical release is. This is your key for your mechanical release. It goes right here on top. Turn that clockwise to disengage it. You can pull the arms back out of the way and open the gate manually. But the important thing here is on the limit switches. This is something that a lot of people don't note whenever they install them, but it is important. You'll see that there's a ramp that as the unit's coming around, this ramp right here comes around, is going to activate this limit switch. It's real important that that ramp come up underneath the plastic and then push that limit switch up in its normal direction there and not approach from the other direction. You always want that ramp coming underneath the plastic before it activates the limit switch. Same thing in the closed position. When you install it, if the ramp's coming the wrong direction, you just need to swap these 2 plastic arms, swap their location, and that'll have the ramp coming in the right direction to that limit switch. If the ramp comes in the other direction, you can get some inconsistent limit switch activation, and it doesn't work quite smoothly. You don't get quite the consistency of the stopping positions, but if you do it like that, the correct way, you'll get perfect limit adjustment and perfect opening and closing every single time. The photo eyes that I've got on this unit are our Blue Bus through beam photo eyes. These are the units that are going to come with the operator. They are a through beam system. I've got one shooting underneath the operator here in the open position, so that as the gate's opening, if I walk through and obstruct this beam, you'll see that the gate stops and recloses. Okay, that's my entrapment beam as the gate's opening. And then the other beam is shooting on the outside of the gate right here. Right on the outside. You see that one there, shooting to the other side over there for just protection as the gate's closing. So that's her, the Apollo Nice Group USA 4500 1 horsepower swing gate operator articulating arm unit. So hopefully this video sheds a little light on. Hope you like it as much as I do. It's a great unit.